Baby's got the hiccups again. We got 13 more days until he comes and joins us. I don't think you can see his hiccups anymore. I don't know. I can feel them. See my hand jumping? That's your baby with the hiccups. He's been having hiccups almost every night. He's never really had them before until those last 2 weeks. So, 13 more days. We'll meet our little son.